Oh, shoot. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, I'm very handsome. But check this out. I know y'all see, I'm almost there. I'm about to connect it. This ain't gonna be super long of a video today. All I'm gonna do, this right here is gonna be a manifestation video. Something that I can always come back to, something that you can always come back to. Check this out. I just wanna say right now, my manifestation, the way I see my future, no more processed food. Zero. I'm just gonna jump straight into it. Zero processed food. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I've been doing good on not eating meat for a while. Well, no, I take that back. Well, just because you slip up and eat meat one time, I have been doing good on like cutting out meat completely. Like animal products, gone. So yeah, animal products gone. Processed, anything, processed sugar, all that gone. That's that. Out the way. We're gonna come back to let's go ahead and get the food out the way. So yeah, anything processed, any foods, any drinks, anything, if it's not natural, it didn't come from nature, and I'm talking about from nature, I'm not eating it. Now, knowing me, when it comes to fruit, I know a lot of people's going through a hard time trying to find seeded fruit, right? This is what I say. When you're on your healing journey, there has been a lot of people that have healed themselves from eating seedless fruit. I'm not promoting seedless fruit, but what I'm saying is, don't make the excuse by saying there is no seeded fruit, so I'm just not going to eat fruit. I'm just going to eat what I've been eating. Nah. If that's all that's available, eat the seedless. But you need to be educating yourself on how to plant fruits and start a garden in your own backyard, or actually go start meeting up with the farmers that still have the seeded fruit, and meeting up with these farmers and building a relationship with them so they can teach you and give you seeds so y'all can help each other out, pretty much on some help me help you type. So yeah, so foods, no processed foods, none whatsoever. Write this down if you got to. Another thing, semen retention. This goes for me, this goes for you. No more masturbation. Now, this also goes into play with, we're not just fucking any random girl. Even if you've been waiting 3 months, a year, I don't care. We're not just slowly killing ourselves by just releasing life, just throwing it. Like I don't think you understand how powerful your seed is, and that it literally can produce life. I didn't say this in so many videos. I'm that type of person. I'm not like these other content creators or anybody that you see. I don't like to speak on the same shit, because as I'm elevating and speaking on certain things, I expect you to elevate with me. If you're not, then go look at my old stuff and then you can work your way up. But I'm not staying in one spot trying to continue to keep telling people the same thing. No. So I'm just go ahead and say this. I spoke on semen retention before. We're gonna say it again, and that's that. I'm not speaking on it. I might again, but I'm not making it a topic video anymore. Just because that guy looks good or that girl looks good to you, to whoever you are, you know what I'm saying? If it's a female, if that guy looks good, or if it's a guy if it's a guy that female looks good, or if it's a female, damn, I'm tripping. Hold on. If it's a guy, if you're a guy and that female looks good, then you just don't smash. If you're a girl and that guy looks good, you're just gonna wanna smash. We're not doing that, bro. Protect your energy, man. Protect your energy. And I mean, obviously, yeah, I'm speaking on the spiritual aspect too, but I'm speaking on the physical. I'm speaking on all that. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to be spiritual. You don't have to be religious. You don't have to be none of this shit that everybody's speaking about in the media right now or whatever to practice this. You just literally have to just say, no, I don't want to have sex. I'm not finna masturbate. We're not watching porn no more. We're not watching twerking videos. If I see any twerking videos down my timeline, I don't care if you a celebrity, I don't care who you are, you instantly getting blocked. Simple. 100%. Call it whatever you want to call it, you're getting blocked. Simple. So yeah, semen retention for sure. Another thing, the blue light, artificial lights. I'ma say this now. I ain't gonna lie, I have stepped back from playing video games before. I'm pretty sure you have too. I'm pretty sure you didn't deleted social media before. I'm pretty sure you didn't, what else? Cut back on watching TV and cut back on watching Netflix and stuff. But I'm gonna say this. I'm not even finna sit up here and be biased just because I still currently play the video game and still currently watch TV. Well, no, I don't watch TV, but I look at my phone and look at videos and stuff. So I'm not finna be biased just because I do it. I'm just gonna say this now. We cutting it out. Now, the only time we should really be using our phones is when it benefit us. I'm not finna watch any type of entertainment, any type of comedy. I'm going to try not to, at least. But matter of fact, forget trying. I'm not going to. Simple. You're not going to. I'm not, like I said, I'm not finna be biased just because I still currently do it. We cutting it out. If it don't benefit you, don't watch it. It's wasting your time. Simple. That's just how I'm gonna have to say it. You can keep thinking in that consumer mind state, that consumer, you keep thinking like a consumer, will continue to keep doing what you do. Cause like I said, I'm not begging nobody to do anything. As long as I'm straight and my family's straight, I'm good. That's all I'm worried about. But I'm trying to give you the jewels and I'm trying to give you the gems that can help you. You feel me? So, hey, take it or leave it. So yeah, blue light, man. We got to get away from it. I'm looking at blue light right now, man. This screen, I'm staring at myself. I look good, but check this out. We got to cut back on it. We got to cut it out, bro. If it ain't benefiting you, don't look at it. Because like I said in my last video, 2 videos ago, I literally, what I was speaking about, I said, yes, how can I say it? You are, when you're looking at your phones or watching stuff and you're benefiting from it, like whatever you're doing, if it's helping you with your business, if it's helping you with your garden, whatever it's helping you with and it's helping you succeed in life, we're still looking at these screens as blue light at the end of the day. So we're making a sacrifice for we're sacrificing our vision when we're looking at these things, devices and blue light. By us sacrificing our vision, we are trying to prosper from it and become successful from it. See what I'm saying? So that's how I'm going to look at that. So yeah, so we got those out the way. Another thing, exercise is a priority. I'm talking about, like, listen, before you even if you are that type of person that play video games, that do things that literally is making somebody else richer, you better be working out. Listen, I'm gonna keep coming back to this video. Matter of fact, I don't even need to. It's already in you. But if you have to, come back to this video. But it's already in you. Listen, we are working out. That's the first priority. That should be the first thing you do. If you don't have to work in the morning, the rising of the sun, whatever you want to call it, if you don't have to work or if you don't have to do anything important, get your ass up and go work out. Even if you got to start off by walking around the block, even if you got to start off by getting up and running, getting up and stretching, whatever, get your ass out there and start working out. Get your blood moving, because I'm telling you, being out in nature and working out with the sun, vitamin D hitting you, and then you got your blood flowing by doing all these activities. Now you're up. So now what that's going to do is going to build up testosterone. It's going to build up dopamine, the right dopamine that you need. And it's going to basically give you more confidence throughout the day. You feel me? It's going to give you more confidence. Like, yeah, you that female. Yeah, you that guy. You feel me? You walking around with that confidence that you should always have. Because when you wake up or you plug back in and once you rise up out the bed and you just hop on the game, or you just get up and just get on your phone, or you lay down and watch your TV show, and you don't want to get up and do nothing for yourself, you're going to stay in that mindset. I'm telling you, I've been there before. I know it. So yes, exercise is a priority. It don't matter where you start, just start it. Simple. We're going to cut that off there. Another one, yoga. We finna listen, yoga is another priority. I don't care if you've never done it. I don't care if you think that you've been succeeding or you've been doing well without it. No, Yoga, 20-30 minutes a day. Well, you don't really need to do no hour. You could do 30. But listen, 20 to 30 minutes a day is perfect. You know what I'm saying? 20 through 30. So you can do 20, 25, 27, 30 minutes. I mean, all the way up to 45 minutes. Yoga is important. It basically gets you up. It basically makes you loose. It makes you feel good. And also, yoga is a form of meditation. So while you're stretching and you holding those poses, you're actually in a deep or you're in a minor, no, not a minor, how can I say it? You're kind of like in a small meditation state. You feel me? You know, you can actually meditate by just going out in nature or being in your room or wherever you're at, and you just close your eyes and then you just, you know how you meditate. But when you're actually doing yoga, you're getting two benefits from it because you're stretching, you feel me? So you don't become a a freaking statue when you get up in age. You don't become a statue, and you know what I mean by that. And also, you're in a meditative state. And another thing, I'm tripping. How did I forget about this? It helps with your breathing. and that's for yoga. So yoga is a priority now. Make that a priority. Another thing, and this is a big one. I should have put this first. Breathing. I know I just said it with the yoga, but it made me think about it just now. Breathing. That's one of the most important things that you can do, because without it, your physical would be deceased. Breathing is the most important thing that you can do out of everything I just said on this list, because without breathing, hold on. Without breathing, you wouldn't be able to do anything that I just mentioned, right? It wouldn't be possible because you'd be dead. So, breathing, taking deep breaths. I'm telling you, deep breaths would literally almost get you through anything. Anxiety, depression, anything. Just take deep breaths, and that will put you in a meditative state, and you ain't even got to close your eyes. You don't even have to be sitting still in one stationary spot. You can just take deep breaths standing up where you're at work, anywhere, and I promise you it will put you in a peaceful state. It'll kind of reset your mind, and basically all that drama, anything that was negative that just happened, I'm not going to say it's going to go away 100%, but I can guarantee you that it's going to put you in a calmer state so you know how to react to it. So you know how to cope with it. You feel me? Instead of just something negative happening and then boom, you just go straight off a reaction. You get to fighting. You get to doing something that wasn't going to that you're going to regret. That wasn't logical. Breathe. 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 And so yeah, breathing. That's another big one. You feel me? That's another big one. I'm gonna probably give one more. There's obviously a lot more. There's more variations, but I'm gonna give one more. All right. So the last one is just be yourself. Be authentic. Be creative. Be original. Just be yourself. Just be. And all those other things I just said, those actually could have been other categories, but I'm putting it into this. Just be. Learn how to be in the present. Learn how to be in the present moment. Go outside or wherever you're at. Put the phone down. Put the game down. Put the drink down. Put whatever you got in your hand down and just be. Go out in nature and just be. Just be. Just be there in that current moment. Don't think about the future. Don't think about the past. Just be there and I'm not saying this is something that you should, this is not a lifestyle. I mean, there's people that probably live this lifestyle, maybe breatharians. You know what I'm saying? It's what I'm teaching you is not going against, all of your goals and aspirations. Like, I know a lot of people saying, oh, if I just be in the present moment, what about my goals? I'm not saying that you have to practice. This has to be an everyday thing or all the time thing or all day thing. No, Just choose a time, choose a day or whatever, or you could do this every day and just literally be. I'm telling you, that would be so perfect. That really ties into the breathing and kind of the meditative state, meditation. It just ties into all of it, just be. Because it's like you're in that moment and you realize in that present moment that nothing else matters. Just this moment right here. Nothing else matters around me. I'm not worried about the future. I'm not worried about how much money I'm finna make. I'm not worried about this fruit that's finna grow or that's growing. I'm not worried about the past and all the traumatic experiences or even the positive things that's going on in my life. I'm just here right now, just enjoying now. I'm just enjoying now. And yeah, so pretty much just be yourself, be creative, just be. And that's that. So that's gonna end this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell. You know, all the little whatever, you know what I'm saying, the little things that you do. And just stay tuned for more, because I mean, I got a lot more coming. You feel me? I just dropped the video yesterday. That actually was a video that should have been dropped 2 days ago. You feel me? But I've been BSing. But no ifs, ands, or buts. I've been BSing and we finna get back on it straight up. You feel me? So it's your boy Dolo World / Dolo University / Galactic Sun Food, the brand LLC, stop playing / Nature Dolo, and I'm out. Peace.